Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved judgment on disqualification case of Mahut Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar. Chief Minister Nongthoman Bireen says BJP government favors no particular religion. Chief Minister is assured of launching second phase of Go to Village mission in near future. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantikumar lay foundation of Center for Culture and Moving Image, Cultural and Heritage Complex at Rakaran Ringui Village in Ukrul District. Meitei Council More urges government to prevent people of Manipur from visiting Myanmar temporarily as precautionary measures against novel coronavirus outbreak. And Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Halkip says all set to inaugurate floodlight facilities at Kumalampak Men's Stadium and Hockey Stadium on 6th of February. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandhuram presenting you the prime-time English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved its judgment on the disqualification case of Mahut Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar after the final hearing today. The hearing was on 15 different cases petitioned by 15 MLAs, including Congress MLAs K.H. Joykishan, A.K. Mirabai, R.K. Imo, O. Surjakumar and K. Meghachandra from 11 a.m. till around 1 p.m. Senior advocates of the Supreme Court S.C. Hansnayan and Itombi, Mohammad Fazal and Boboy appeared for the hearing on behalf of the petitioners, while senior advocates S.S. Pounam and S.C. Gunabanta appeared on behalf of the respondent. Petitioners counseled a senior advocate of the Supreme Court, S.G. Hansnayan, said the Speaker heard both the parties and reserved the judgment. He said parties will also directed to submit their respective argument in written on or before 12th of February.
Today, Honorable Speaker, the matter was heard against the disqualification petition, Mr. Shyam Kumar, Minister Manipur Government, and the judgment is reserved. And Honorable Speaker also directed us to file any additional document if you need and written submission till 12th February. Thereafter, judgment will be delivered.
Chief Minister Nongthoman Bireen has assured that BJP government focuses on bringing welfare to the people and it does not practice discrimination on the basis of religion. He was speaking at the unveiling of Brotherhood Monolith Come 2-day first Ilmund General Conference at LS Playground in Modbung today. Chief Minister Nongthoman Bireen appealed to people not to believe in the rumors about the party practicing discrimination on the basis of religion. He claimed that BJP government has taken various welfare activities in the northeast states. He called upon the people to stop deforestation to save the environment. Nongthoman Bireen assured that second phase of Go to Village mission will kickstart in the near future to benefit those who were left out in the first phase. The Chief Minister disclosed that construction of a 19th accommodation block worth 3 crore rupees in the Hill district is almost completed. He appealed to people to avail the benefits of various government schemes.
Hojik Chingda Paikhat labor schemes mayam. Now we will start to see physically. We women's market mayam ama charga function to hore. Rainwater harvesting gi hojik complete oira kanda uba hore. Hilgi block taraga mapal da koi hojik transit accommodation camp 3 crore is rupees 3 crore is transit accommodation center amamda on block tara ga mapan da saba hosi almost loyer kadore manipur gi damakta north east gi damakta bjp ne kari tawre igese madu de yenga da bane bjp ha dharma gi adu gi da ge all bogus all rumor ni in reality that the bjp is the only party who really care about the north east people, who really care about the Manipur peoples.
Art and Culture Minister Lakpong Jain Kumar laid the foundation stone for the constructions of Center for Culture and Moving Image, Cultural and Heritage Complex at Rakarand Ringui Village in Ukrul District today. Speaking at the event, Minister Jain Kumar said Manipur will develop only when both hills and valley regions of the state are equally developed. He claimed that ties between hills and valley peoples have strengthened with the advent of the present government. He called upon people to leave behind communal attitude and strive towards humanity. Chingai MLA Kashim Vasumd, Commissioner of Art and Culture, and Joy, Director of Manipur State Film and Television Institute, Professors Nilotpal Manjumdar, headman of Ringui Village, Attempt A. Simri, and headmen of other villages attended the foundation stone laying ceremony. The Art and Culture Minister said government has chosen Ringui village in Ukrul district for establishing the center, acknowledging its contribution in safeguarding and promotion of art and culture and films.
Culture is nothing but your inner urge to express yourself. Nang nasa karino na express daw na hona baganda nangi thamoy the faudi maklagi nungyo maklagi itindu na it may be in relation with the nature, it may be within the same society where you used to live in nangi nung the power ko maklagi thingmangam the makli itilang lebedo. That's called culture. Adana madu yeng baganda ni I know why I chose Ringui village. Mayam the sulena mai of all the hill districts Tangkul community amasung akoy Ukrul district say culture da yam developed away. And again, Ukrul district manung da mo kanang ba hadi kangbu na mo hena akoy interested o ye culture da habita gede Ringui or tolo sitongo masidela iba makil kangbu shin hena interested o. But today we have seen all the natural beauties.
State Ayush Society Manipur and Directorate of Ayush Lamphilpant jointly organized a one-day free Ayush health camp and awareness program as part of the foundation stone laying ceremony. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister Jain Kumar said that suspected case of novel coronavirus from Moreh is not confirmed yet and is still under observation at RIMS. He said necessary blood samples have been sent for testing. Minister Lakpong Jain Kumar appealed to people not to panic. He further assured that State Health Department is carrying out strict screening process at manned entry points of the state. He also said special isolation wards have been arranged at Jenims and RIMS.
Coronavirus suspected Jenims ta amasung RIMS ta isolation ward ko tongana thame moi special treatment piraga moi observe to for 14 days complete 14 days observe to baganda moi symptoms lakani boko rimadri blood sample laure ko tha gi ba adag madigi result se no mani ni change ko Manipur leita banina adagi lakpada adag madu manung da moi se mowang ta na isolation ward ta thamaga moina 14 days observe to baganda Luna Makati later, Hagadi, okay, I do not have a Daragana Makata Lanam treatment, Pedogata again, I haven't been young. But how you get suspected as anybody suspected of a Mapana Saluba, Changba, running nose like high fever like I didn't naturally cold and cough, she should more be able to go. Adamado Akuna. Can you make or Magadi habit, Exlogum Habitamoki, no dead Madonna coronavirus lady, Habagi, but you can classify evidence, nothing.
A cultural troupe of 170 members left in Falk today to participate in the 9th Foundation Day celebration of Rajyasree Bhagya Chandra Cultural Foundation Manipur at Kunjao Mandop in Mandalay Myanmar. Artists from Jain Manipur Dance Academy, Sri Sri Govindaji Bharti Seva, the Natta Sankirtan Academy and Research Center, Yaskool, and artists of various other cultural organizations comprises the team. They will showcase Manipuri traditional dances, songs, folk story, narration, etc. at the event.
Wari liba classical Manipuri solo dance na chingba item kaya aikoina mandri gi khunjong mandopta akoina numit nini chumna pangthok charugani lone na mafam lamdam madugi leiriba aikogi maitei gi leiriba mayam dugi da Manipur gi chanabi amadi aikogi kala sanskriti sibu aikoina moida masak takna ba moibu aikoina jagoi sei sei Manipur gi sumain tawi haibana chingba lamja bebar khudima ka lone na ada phongdong nubugi damakta handaki tanja si laujabani.
President of Meitei Council More, M. Thoiba Meitei, has stressed on the need to prevent people of Manipur from visiting Myanmar temporarily as precautionary measures towards a coronavirus outbreak in Manipur. Speaking to media today, Thoiba said a youth from the Jaipur who went to Myanmar on the 28th of January returned to More on 2nd of February with suspected symptoms of novel coronavirus. The youth was rushed to RIMS yesterday morning and is being kept in isolation ward for observation. Thoiba expressed apprehension that the 170 members cultural troupe of Manipur who left Imphal for Mandalay today might be at risk of contracting the virus.
Moredasu section thawang mayam amadi akogi state government medical department lokatra leiri tanja sida akogi state sidagi miyam ama Myanmar mendalam koiba amadi harau kumai chatli base masita sengdi ai tasena pamjide maram di laina aski vaccine leitringai marak sida koi section thawang lokot poina state government na sumaina satok section tawboje matam kharigi oina tingbiragadi akoi punamaki sep oigadra ainai government ni puning chingsinjari.
There is an urgent need to set up road maidens and increase the number of traffic police personnel deployed at traffic points of Minuthong, Imphal, Ukhrul Road and Lamlong Market. Road traffic is highly congested in this area as there is a lack of adequate traffic personnel to control the heavy flow of both passenger and private vehicles. People parking their vehicles at inappropriate areas and passenger vehicles stopping whenever they want to ferry in passengers are contributing to traffic congestion even more. Absence of a road median and at Lamlong Market traffic points area has led to heavy traffic jammed with vehicles running at whims in 4 to 5 rows. It is high time the government and the relevant authorities address the issue. Villagers of Fali in Ukhrul district have complained that the primary health sub-center and veterinary and animal husbandry office have been non-functional for the past 15 years. Chairman of Fali village, A. Sochipam, said the two offices in the village located 84 kilometers away from Imphal city and 17 kilometers away from Ukhrul town have been non-functional and appealed to the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Hojikti kungi mingsi pali hana no buko hana padang haramba kungi population si chaurak na 6,000 above the lerabuni Ukhrul si asidagi adum some 16-17 kilometer oiramuni Imphal gi 80 or 90 aswai the leramgini Ukhrul chat basi lambi pataba maram yam lebani na kri go ba anaba kri rari luso district headquarters chat basi why adu basic thing ki tamakta first aid ki tamakta concern authority na meeting sa liro ko kino toro biti yam nungai ni hana kunji gi chairman oina ina si request to ni
Kurai MLA El Susindo destroyed embankment of a Premi Kong constructed by Water Resources Department in front of Porumpat Model College in Kurai constituency, terming it illegal and substandard. Speaking to media, MLA El Susindo warned that no development works can't be taken up illegally in his constituency. He said pleas have been made to the relevant department to dredge Premi Kong to prevent a flash flood in the area during monsoon. MLA El Sushindro alleged the constitution alleged that constructions of the embankment was carried out illegally in collusion with representatives of local clubs and some Mairapaibi members without consulting him. The MLA said that he has already filed a complaint against the same at the Vigilance Department and to Infal SP to award befitted punishment to the contractor concerned.
Instead of 1,510 thaba makada layers adui mahutta one mahusin bidi yaro aduna masi personally akoi isa laga masi site chida akoi tawjari basi aduna FIR ma akoi vigilance ta thagre adagi council SP Infal East ta thagre aduna FIR copy ma akoi loi pijagre FIR launch to view complaint ma akoi hijackre aduna FIR on top piraganda sigum hairiba contractor amasung masi mari lena basi pharaga adu council engineer maruoina council engineers in Yam Kana support Moina Tauraga Masmina Tobisha Masigi Posidi Moi Bhata.
A joint team of Narcotic Affairs Border NAB Special Commando Teams, Forest Department, 7th Manipur Rifles Battalion, Infal West District Police, 15th Assam Rifles, Infal East District Police, Home Guards and Kangpokpi District Police led by NAB SP Watamt Vashumd, along with ASP NAB's Saklemba RK, DSP Commando Infal East Hirojit, AC Subhash and OC NAB SH Chandra Kumar under the supervision of ADGP INT Asutos Kumar Sinha IPS destroyed illegal poppy plantations at Philencott Hill Range in Kangpokpi district today. Illegal poppy plantations over a stretch of 135 acres land were destroyed during the drive. NAB police station has registered an FIR against the same. One woman who registered from being raped was stabbed yesterday. She was attacked on her way home after collecting goods at the canal of Charangpat Mamang Laikai under Thobal police station at around 3 p.m. yesterday. The 46-year-old victim is being hospitalized at Sija Hospital, Langold. Local clubs of Charangpat Mairapaibi Association and other organizations carried out a protest demonstration against the incident at Charangpat Chekthong ground today. A JAC has been formed against the incident and it has demanded authorities concerned to award befitted punishment to culprits involved in the incident within 24 hours. Infal East District Magistrate Dr. Rangita Bali has extended CRPC Section 144 and Infal East District for another 2 months. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on opening of T-Series Film Academy Info Centers in Manipur. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. India's biggest music label and production house with international acclaimed T-Series is eyeing on Manipur to hold talented youths. T-Series Stage Works Academy, a T-Series film academy which was recently opened in Guwahati, has joined hands with Don Bosco College, Maram in Senapati district to hone talented youths in the field of media and entertainment. Officials of T-Series Stage Works Academy held a press meet at Hotel Classic in North AOC today. Speaking to media, CEO of the Academy, Subhadeep Shah said the International Standard Academy was opened for the first time in Noida and is running successfully. He asserted that Manipur film industry will flourish in the international platform if talented youths of the state are providing necessary information, international standard equipment and training. Subhadeep Shah said the Film Academy will offer various courses on performing arts and pre-post production. He declared that special package will be offered on the courses fees in northeast states, and 5 talented youths from the state will be selected to take up any courses for free. The CEO of the Film Academy also expressed his desire to collaborate with government of Manipur and Manipur University. He also said the Film Academy is making a Manipuri short film in the near future.
Cinema is a medium of, it needs a lot of technicalities. Then when the technicalities come, the equipments are very much required. It's a practical thing. So day by day, it is enhancing. So yeah, you may have a very good actors, or you may have, Sujakanta sir will agree with me, you are very good directors. But if you don't have the good equipments, then you will not get the required result. If you have that actually, so language will not create a barrier. So it definitely can go to any market actually. So in that way, if we invest, that we are doing, as you asked a very great question, sir, that we are investing a lot of things to enhance the standard of the regional film.
Taking part in the press meet, Manipur filmmaker Laimayum Surjakanta Sharma and Manipur film actor Soma Laishram lauded the initiatives of T-Series. They opined that Manipur films will rise to higher levels if film enthusiasts and people working in Manipur films industries joined the academy. 2 information centers of T-Series Stage Works Academy were opened at Don Bosco, Maramd and Kuyatong Road, Thangal Bazaar.
अखोई मणिपुर दसो हुजिक फिल्म मेकर्स नत्रगा हुजिक साउंड डिजाइनिंग तौरिबा VFX पाइरिबा सॉरी मी मैम से ऑलरेडी मोइज नॉलेज ची लरगा बेसिक नॉलेज ची लरगा अखोई का हाइतारे खुद थादबम नत्रगा वेल इक्विप लेतबा दुगुम्बा टेक्निकल लाइन और सिदा मैम ना पुथारगा लेबा मैम यावरी सो इफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन कम्स अदुगा मोइना सिगी कनो से इंस्टीट्यूट सिदा पार्ट अमो इतारगदी अखोई की नॉर्थ ईस्ट अमदी अखोई मणिपुर दसु हेना चखटपा प्रोडक्शन मैम पुथोरकनी
सही कुल्लम कुद्रा हम फिल्म एक्सपीरियंस दि लेरबा फिल्म मेकर ओइरोबा अदुगा टेक्नोलॉजी सिदी सही खुदिंगी डेवलपमेंट लापनिना मसिंग असिम तोलेबा टेक्नोलॉजी सिंगसे मसि हैंडल तोबा ngमक्तबा अदुना टेक्नीशियन अमगा फिल्म मेकर अमगा एडजस्टमेंट की लिंग वालकपा
Manipur Students Federation MSF today launched its new format of letterhead and received book to be used by its officials for 2020-21 at MSF office in Kwakaithel, Thongnaujam, Leikai. Speaking to media, MSF President Sajid Bhuyamayum said that their old letterhead and received book used in 2018-19 will not be used anymore. He also said MSF's academic campaign Aikoi Larik Ningtina Tamsi will be continued. Sajid appealed to students and the public to support in the campaign.
2018 amadi 19 gi section da chanaramba letterhead amadi receipt book ado handaki lagliba 17 Federal Executive Council ki 2020 amadi 21 gi section asi gi oina anoba letterhead amadi receipt book ki format sing koi ngasi koi myam mangda koi launch tore mamangi chanadaba receipt book amadi letterhead dispose tawragani lakadoriba February ki tarik 8 numit asida MSF ki matam kay muan digi pangthok tun lakwa academic campaign ekoi lerik ningthina tam saiba campaign asigi taraga mari raksuba anniversary program Slopeland Public School Khongjomda MSF na masi ekoi pangthok lagani ekoi lerik ningthina tam saiba campaign sigi lising makhada government amadi private institutions sing paktak na ekoi survey horagani.
All Manipur Youth and Student Welfare Academy AMY and SWA has launched its second phase of computer education campaign at Hafist Brighter Academy in Kaiku today. Association convener K.S. Rameshwar inaugurated a computer laboratory in the school on the occasion. Speaking on the sideline, K.S. Rameshwar stressed on the need for youths in the state to join the global race of information technology. He said the association opened computer laboratories in 35 schools last year and targets the same this year. K.S. Rameshwar condemned those schools who take computer fees from students but failed to provide computer education. He also urged those schools lacking computer laboratory to approach the association.
School singna karigumba makha tarakpada akhoi fees aduga hairiba kainosiga computer education ga related oina khoi fees lawshalama kanda magi practical tawna ba khoi computer lab leramdaba ade matik chab oja leramdaba taraga su aikhoina akan action logoni loinana hairiba khudong thiba si akhoi gi nangdana bagi demakta school chalai biri ba akhoi gi school authority sing jina akhoina mairoi sing gi khalla kanda akhoi organization da lupta pau biro ina akhoi thamjage.
Composite Hospital in Fall, CRPF, under the initiative of Manipur and Nagaland, IGP carried out sensitization and awareness programs on coronavirus at KV School Langjing today. Police personnel and around 350 students of the school took part in the program. Free screening camp on non-communicable diseases (NCDs) was held at Public Club Library Cum Information Center in Top Kongnang Makong today. District NCD Cell, District Health Society in Fall East and Albia Biocare jointly organized the camp. Public Club President Laishram Vivekananda said the club organized the camp as part of the ongoing efforts on the themed timed management, health and cleanliness to bring welfare and development into the colony. 9 members teamed, including 4 doctors of CMO in Fall East, along with pediatrician Dr. A. Naran Babu and 3 other doctors from the colony checked out people at the camp. Facility for diagnostic tests like LFT, KFT, sugar test, etc. and medicines were provided for free at the camp. Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol (CADA) organized an awareness program on the negative consequences of drug abuse on students at Brighter Academy in New Chekont today. Students and teachers of the school attended the program. Resource persons at the event stressed on the influence of peer pressure and glamour in abusing drugs. They advised the youths to stay away from drugs. (182) Battalion Border Security Force Koringe organized excursion for children of Tabitha Children Home Mantripukri as a part of Civic Action Program 2020-2021 for the battalion. The excursion was organized under the supervision of Commandant 182 Battalion BSF Nitin Gupta. Deputy Commandant and several other officials of the battalion accompanied the children. Now the sports news. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip inspected the setting up of a floodlight facilities at Kumalampak Men's Stadium and Hockey Stadium today. He assured that the project worth 31,24,000 rupees will be inaugurated on the February 6th. Speaking to media, Minister Letpao Haukip said the world-class project taken in Manipur for the first time will benefit aspiring sportspersons of the state. It disclosed that Chief Minister Nongthaman Biraj will inaugurate the floodlight facility on February 6th, and on the same day an exhibition football match will be played between the football team named Governors 11, comprising of IAS and IPS officers of the state, versus a football team named CMs 11, comprising of ministers and MLAs. Minister Ledbao Hakib also said that the first match of the first RK Jai Chandra Singh Manipur Youth League will be played in the evening after the inauguration of the floodlight facilities to gift a new experience to football enthusiasts of the state. The sports minister also said that those above 70 years who took major roles in promoting football sports in the state will be felicitated on the day. He appealed to football enthusiasts and people of the state to partake in the event.
Football haidana India da especially women section da 90% dominate toba India gi pi asupik na Manipur gi akhoi gi mi lak kun ga tarit khak le jaba mi singa sina chawraba bharat sigi 11 team da mapan yaurak pa adumba yamnan chawthak chanangai oiba egi tarap tagi sports minister ama oina world cup ki under 17 gi egi ichai chan sing world cup ki khalai ba singda yaipa paujel su pizari miamna mateng tawbiyo lakpiyo nungaiba adumba yam phajaba thaina hana lektriba anoba lanama leibasida mayam su saruk yabiyo haidana ana lebak miamda media thongda ai haijari.
Sarita Boxing Academy, Mayang Infant organized a felicitation program for the winners of various international and national tournaments today. The players are Wangzamt Ibetoy, who bagged gold medal in the Golden Girls Championship held in Sweden, and T.H. Kunjarani, S.H. Vijeta, and Rosemary and H. Ambeshwari, who bagged medals in the recent Khelo India Youth Games held in Guwahati. Speaking on the occasion, Mayang Imphal MLA and Deputy Speaker K. Ravindra said that it is a great victory for the state as the players of the academy have won medals at international level. He appealed to parents to encourage their children to step in the field of sports.
Makoina focus tawdabdo imungda paisa laitabagi wabagi chakadaba mogi financial problem lei mam do angang duna khangamnina hayeng sapa matamda mathado dum pur chatuni chatpa ngamdura ngamoidura paisa do ticket kakpa ngamdura ngamoidura do adum masara khallemna mafagi masai performance to hala chalaga utpa ngamdaba players mam yaweba adon yari ge di chalam daida makoida dugi problem do tahandabida akoi leiri mam lekai jul leiri ba halaman mam leiri ai leiri akoi masam tanaraga ngamba kha puthoga makoigi mai pakna ba khoi mating pangmina seba akhoi na mating pang do makhoi na mai pakla ka da la ka da makhoi na akhoi da atopa satra singda atopa player singda atopa mama pal singda Manipur gi oina ningse porokpa makhoi da thongna pirakpa atopa player singda thongna pirakpa do aduma ohensi.
Golden Football Club to Palace Compound defeated NSO Haino Kongnembi by 4-1 in the first Haishnand Neil Kamal Mobi Memorial under 40 kg 4 A-side football tournament organized by Youth Integration Club YIC today. While in the second match, MSC Nganapithong Tres HLFC Haudamd by 4-1 and NFT Wangke defeated Five Brothers Kakwa by 2-1 in the third match. In today's last match, KIYC Ketri Awang Lekai got a walkover as YWC Malont did not show up for the match. Chothe Students Union Manipur, popularly known as a Chothe Athurul Ngai Abomed CANA, kicked off its Sports Meet 2020 and 56th General Conference at Maihulond village in Technopal district today. The event, organized on the theme to glorify our heritage culture, will be held till 7th of February. Advisor of Autonomous District Council, Chandald, and many people attended the event. Boys and girls from various Chote villages will compete in football, volleyball, athletic, debating competition, Miss CANA 2020, traditional attire show, solo, Chote love song, and various other items. Teachers and players of Creative Taekwondo Institute Sagolband gave a warm reception to players of the institute upon their arrival at Infalt Bir Tikendrajit International Airport today. The players represented India at G28 International Taekwondo Championship held at Fujairah in Dubai. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Speaker's Trivalent Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved judgment on the disqualification case of Mahut Minister Thongnawjam Shyamkumar. Chief Minister N. Biren says BJP government favors no particular religion. Chief Ministers assured of launching a second phase of Go to Village mission in the near future. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayant Kumar laid foundation of a Center for Culture and Moving Image, Cultural and Heritage Complex at Rakarand, Ringui village in Ukhrul district. Meitei Council More urges government to prevent people of Manipur from visiting Myanmar temporarily as precautionary measures against novel coronavirus outbreak. And Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Hakib says all set to inaugurate floodlight facilities at Kumalam Park Men's Stadium and Hockey Stadium on 6th of February.